Well, from an outbreak of Mpox to babies getting the COVID-19 vaccine, it has been an eventful year in the field of medicine.
CBS correspondent Bradley Blackburn takes a look back at some of this year's top health stories.
The CDC eased COVID-19 guidelines in August. Among the changes, people exposed to an infected person no longer needed to quarantine. The CDC director also announced an agency overhaul after reviewing its COVID response.
I think our public health infrastructure in the country was not up to the task of handling this pandemic.
In May, the White House lowered flags to half-staff to mark 1 million American deaths from the virus. But there was progress against the pandemic in 2022. Children under 5 and as young as 6 months old became eligible for the vaccine. A different respiratory virus called RSV surged in the fall in at least 36 states. At the same time, flu hospitalizations climbed to their highest level in a decade, leading health experts to warn of a so-called triple-demic of COVID, flu, and RSV over the holidays.
What happened is we had a 2.5-year window where nobody got anything, and so everybody is getting it at once.
As respiratory illnesses increased, there were shortages of amoxicillin, a common antibiotic used to treat secondary bacterial infections such as sore throats and ear infections. In August, the White House declared Mpox, recently known as monkeypox, a national public health emergency after thousands of Americans became infected with the virus.
It was one of the most painful experiences of my life.
2022 had the first case of polio in nearly a decade, and a 57-year-old man lived for 2 months after becoming the first person to receive a heart transplant from a pig.
He said, I don't want to die. And he said, if I do, maybe you'll learn something to help others.
The FDA proposed ending the sale of menthol cigarettes and flavored cigars in the U.S. The agency also ordered Juul to pull its e-cigarette products from the market, but the company is appealing the decision. A nationwide suicide and crisis lifeline launched with a 3-digit number, 988, to make it easier and faster for those in need to get help. Millions of Americans with mild to moderate hearing loss can now get hearing aids over the counter. And in November, Dr. Anthony Fauci spoke at the White House podium for the last time.
Every day for all of those years, I've given it everything that I have.
The man who became the face of the U.S. response to COVID announced over the summer he would step down as President Biden's chief medical advisor, as well as director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, a post he's held for 38 years. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.